Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky preset on RH Dance Studio. So if you're the host, I would just go to a private server, go to host here, and you're going to go to sky presets, and you can choose between these presets. There's the Saturn one, there's the space one, there's just a lot of options you can choose from. There's these new ones here. Sorry, I'm like a little bit tired. But that is pretty much it, really. You can also enable rain if you'd like to. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.